Lighting fixture lifts are specialized devices designed to raise and lower lighting fixtures, particularly chandeliers or the large luminaires, for cleaning, relamping, or general maintenance. These lifts are essential for installations where fixtures are mounted at significant heights, making manual access difficult and potentially hazardous. One manufacturer of these lifts is Erikson, who offers several models with varying capacities and configurations. The Erikson Model 40.1400 is an aluminum fixture lift that utilizes a 1-ton chain hoist, commonly a CM or harness fixture unit. This particular model is engineered to redistribute the load on the hoist. Instead of a purely vertical upward pull, the design shifts the force to create a low side force. This allows the lift to be mounted closer to a wall, offering greater flexibility in installation. The Model 40.1400 comes equipped with 40 feet of chain, providing ample reach for high-mounted fixtures. It has a rated capacity of 500 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of lighting fixtures. Erikson also produces a smaller model, the 40.1200. This lift features 20 feet of chain and a reduced capacity of 250 pounds. The Model 40.1200 is better suited for lighter fixtures or installations with lower ceiling heights. Both the 40.1400 and 40.1200 models rely on a chain hoist system to raise and lower the fixture. The hoist is typically manually operated, although powered options may be available. The chain provides a reliable and durable lifting mechanism, capable of handling the specified weight capacity. Another type of system offered by Erikson is a column-mounted lift system, designated as Model 40.1300. This system is designed to be affixed to a structural column within the building. The column-mounted design provides a stable and secure platform for raising and lowering fixtures. Like the other Erikson models, the 40.1300 can raise fixtures up to 40 feet. A key feature of the 40.1300 is its power drive mechanism. This eliminates the need for manual operation, making it easier and more efficient to raise and lower heavy fixtures. The power drive is typically electrically operated and includes safety features such as overload protection. When considering a lighting fixture lift, several factors must be taken into account to ensure the appropriate system is selected. Firstly, the weight of the fixture is a critical consideration. The lift's rated capacity must exceed the fixture's weight to prevent overloading and ensure safe operation. Secondly, the ceiling height or the distance the fixture needs to be lowered is important. The length of the chain or the lift's vertical travel range must be sufficient to accommodate the required distance. Thirdly, the mounting location and available space must be assessed. Wall-mounted lifts require sufficient wall space, while column-mounted lifts require a suitable structural column. The surrounding area must also be clear of obstructions to allow for safe operation. Fourthly, the power requirements of the lift, particularly for powered models, must be considered. A suitable electrical supply must be available at the mounting location. Fifthly, safety features should be evaluated. Overload protection, limit switches, and emergency stop mechanisms are important safety features to look for. Finally, compliance with local building codes and regulations should be ensured. A qualified electrician or contractor should be consulted to ensure that the installation meets all applicable requirements. To obtain more detailed information on Erikson lighting fixture lifts, it is recommended to contact a local rigging equipment supplier or contractor. These professionals can provide technical specifications, pricing information, and installation services. They can also assist in selecting the appropriate lift model for specific application requirements. Rigging equipment suppliers typically carry a wide range of lifting equipment, including chain hoists, slings, and hardware. They can provide guidance on selecting the appropriate hoist for use with the Erikson fixture lifts. Contractors specializing in electrical or lighting installations can provide installation services and ensure that the lift is properly integrated with the building's electrical system. They can also provide ongoing maintenance and repair services. In addition to Erikson, other manufacturers may offer lighting fixture lifts. Exploring different manufacturers and comparing their products can help ensure that the best solution is selected for the specific application. When evaluating different manufacturers, it is important to consider factors such as product quality, reliability, safety features, and customer support. Obtaining multiple quotes and comparing specifications can help in making an informed decision. The installation of a lighting fixture lift typically involves several steps. Firstly, the mounting location must be prepared. This may involve reinforcing the wall or column to ensure it can support the weight of the lift and the fixture. Secondly, the lift must be securely mounted to the wall or column. This typically involves using heavy-duty anchors or bolts. Thirdly, the hoist or drive mechanism must be installed and connected to the lift. Fourthly, the electrical connections must be made, if applicable. Fifthly, the fixture must be attached to the lift. This typically involves using chains, cables, or other suitable hardware. Sixthly, the lift must be tested to ensure it is operating safely and correctly. Finally, the lift should be inspected regularly to ensure it is in good working condition. Proper maintenance is essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of a lighting fixture lift. Maintenance tasks may include lubricating moving parts, inspecting chains and cables for wear, and checking electrical connections. A qualified technician should perform maintenance on a regular basis. Safety is of paramount importance when operating a lighting fixture lift. Only trained personnel should operate the lift. The lift should never be overloaded. The area around the lift should be kept clear of obstructions. Safety glasses and other appropriate personal protective equipment should be worn. The lift should be inspected before each use. Any damaged or malfunctioning part should be repaired or replaced immediately. The lift should never be used in wet or damp conditions. All electrical connections should be properly grounded. The power supply should be disconnected before performing any maintenance. Following these safety precautions can help prevent accidents and ensure the safe operation of the lighting fixture lift. The benefits of using a lighting fixture lift include increased safety, reduced labor costs, and improved maintenance efficiency. By eliminating the need for ladders or scaffolding, lifts reduce the risk of falls and other accidents. Lifts also allow maintenance tasks to be performed more quickly and efficiently, reducing labor costs. The use of lifts can also improve the overall appearance and functionality of lighting fixtures, as they can be easily cleaned and relamped. Lighting fixture lifts are a valuable investment for any facility with high-mounted lighting fixtures. They provide a safe, efficient, and cost-effective way to maintain these fixtures. By carefully selecting the appropriate lift and following proper installation and maintenance procedures, facilities can ensure the long-term performance and safety of their lighting systems. When evaluating chain hoists for use with lighting fixture lifts, it is important to consider several factors. Firstly, the hoist's lifting capacity must be sufficient to handle the weight of the fixture. Secondly, the hoist's lifting speed should be appropriate for the application. Thirdly, the hoist's duty cycle should be adequate for the frequency of use. Fourthly, the hoist's safety features should be evaluated. Fifthly, the hoist's reliability and durability should be considered. Chain hoists are available in both manual and powered versions. Manual hoists are typically less expensive and simpler to operate, but they require more physical effort. Powered hoists are more expensive and complex, but they offer greater convenience and efficiency. The choice between manual and powered hoists depends on the specific application requirements. When selecting a powered hoist, it is important to consider the power supply requirements. The hoist should be compatible with the available voltage and amperage. The hoist should also be properly grounded to prevent electrical shock. In addition to chain hoists, other types of lifting devices can be used with lighting fixture lifts. These include wire rope hoists, belt hoists, and hydraulic lifts. The choice of lifting device depends on the specific application requirements and the type of lift being used. Wire rope hoists are similar to chain hoists, but they use a wire rope instead of a chain. Wire rope hoists are typically more expensive than chain hoists, but they offer greater lifting capacity and smoother operation. Belt hoists use a belt to lift the fixture. Belt hoists are typically quieter than chain hoists and wire rope hoists, but they have a lower lifting capacity. Hydraulic lifts use hydraulic pressure to raise and lower the fixture. Hydraulic lifts are typically more expensive than other types of lifting devices, but they offer the greatest lifting capacity and the most precise control. The design and engineering of lighting fixture lifts are crucial for ensuring their safety and reliability. The lift must be designed to withstand the weight of the fixture and the forces generated during lifting and lowering. The lift must also be designed to prevent accidental release of the fixture. The lift should be designed with safety factors to account for variations in load and environmental conditions. The materials used in the construction of the lift should be strong, durable, and resistant to corrosion. The lift should be designed to be easy to install, operate, and maintain. The lift should be designed to comply with all applicable safety standards and regulations. Finite element analysis and other engineering tools can be used to optimize the design of the lift and ensure its structural integrity. Prototyping and testing are essential for verifying the performance of the lift and identifying any potential problems. The manufacturing process should be carefully controlled to ensure that the lift is built to the specified dimensions and tolerances. Quality control inspection should be performed throughout the manufacturing process to identify and correct any defects. The lift should be thoroughly tested before being shipped to the customer. The documentation provided with the lift should include detailed instructions on installation, operation, and maintenance. Training should be provided to personnel who will be operating and maintaining the lift. Proper training is essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of the lift. The training should cover topics such as lift operation, safety procedures, maintenance requirements, and troubleshooting. The training should be conducted by qualified personnel. The training should be updated regularly to reflect changes in technology and safety standards. A record of all training should be maintained. In addition to training, regular inspections are essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of the lift. The inspections should be performed by qualified personnel. The inspections should cover all critical components of the lift, including the lifting mechanism, the support structure, and the electrical system. The inspection should be performed at regular intervals, such as monthly or quarterly. A record of all inspections should be maintained. Any defects or problems identified during the inspection should be corrected immediately. Preventative maintenance is also essential for ensuring the long-term performance of the lift. Preventative maintenance tasks may include lubricating moving parts, tightening bolts, and replacing worn components. The preventative maintenance schedule should be based on the manufacturer's recommendations and the operating conditions of the lift. A record of all preventative maintenance should be maintained. By following a comprehensive maintenance program, facilities can ensure the safe, reliable, and long-term performance of their lighting fixture lifts.